President, please be seated. The court is back now in session, and the chamber will start to hear a witness 2 TCW 996 as scheduled. However, before we proceed to hear that witness, the chamber would like to issue an oral decision on the request by party in relation to the adjournment of proceeding and the annulment or modification amended guidelines on the use of cases 03 and 04 WOIs. The chamber is seized of a Q-Sumpon defense request to adjourn the trial proceeding until the completion of the appeal hearings before the Supreme Court chamber. The chamber considers the parties should be adequately prepared to begin the topic on the Vietnamese due to the fact that they have been involved in these proceedings for many years, including during the investigation and in case 002/01. Further, the chamber is not convinced that the defense must be aware of the expert or experts chosen by the chamber to testify on this topic before they can prepare to hear other witnesses on the topic. Nonetheless, the chamber notes that the parties are awaiting further positions from the Supreme Court chamber as to the contents of the appeal hearing, and that significant additional preparations are therefore required. On this basis, the chamber is willing to accord the parties one additional week to prepare for the Supreme Court hearing from 2nd until 5th November. Further, the Witness and Expert Support Unit has informed the chamber that witnesses originally scheduled for Wednesday and Friday of this week are no longer available. For these reasons, the chamber will hear the testimony of 2 TCW 996 and 2 TCW 868 and adjourn the hearings until 30th November 2015. The chamber is also seized of requests to modify or annul the amended guidelines on the use of case 03 and 04 WOIs. The chamber is considering the submissions of the parties and the response of the International Co-Investigating Judge on this point. Since 2 TCW 996 and 2 TCW 868 are both available and ready to testify, the chamber considers that it is in the interests of an orderly and efficient trial management to hear these witnesses at this time. Until the chamber has had an opportunity to fully consider the issue, it considers it appropriate to maintain its amended guidelines, document E319/7/3. It will therefore hear 2 TCW 996 entirely in closed session, and questions put to 2 TCW 868 regarding case 03 and 04 documents should be reserved until the end of his testimony to be heard in closed sessions. In order to maximize the public nature of these hearings, however, the Chamber will redact the closed session transcripts in consultation with the International Co-Investigating Judge so that the transcript can be then rendered public. The Chamber's definitive response to the parties' request in this regard will be provided in due course. Now the Chamber will proceed to closed session hearing to hear 2TCW 996. First, I instruct the AV unit to disconnect the voice to the public gallery and also to the press people. And I also instruct the security personnel to advise the public to leave the public gallery. The Chamber cannot order the curtain closed because perhaps it will hinder the interpreter from looking at the chamber or seeing the parties. Now I order the court officer to usher in witness 2CCW 996 into the courtroom.